Section 11 for property maintenance says, except for ordinary wear and tear, seller shall maintain the property in its condition existing as of the effective date. And then you have your inspection period. So once you go under contract, the seller is supposed to maintain the property in its current condition. The buyer has an inspection period. During that inspection period, they can look at whatever the heck they want. They can even cause damage to the property so long as they fix the damage and pay for it. And then they can back out for any reason whatsoever during this period. If your buyer doesn't want to have an inspection period, maybe get on the phone with us first to go through the legal ramifications of that. Sometimes there are buyers who are into construction and building, and they know that they're going to either tear this down or remodel the entire house, and they don't care about an inspection period. Still a good idea to get on the phone with us to make sure that they have consulted an attorney before we put 0 in that inspection period. Walkthrough reinspection, the buyer has the opportunity to do a walkthrough on the day before or the day of closing. If something is found on the walkthrough and it wasn't there during the inspection period, the seller is supposed to fix it. If they don't fix it, then the closing agent is supposed to escrow 125% of what maybe a quote on fixing it would be. Line 132, if prior to closing, seller is unable to meet the as-is maintenance requirement, a sum equal to 125% of the estimated costs shall be escrowed at closing. There's not even an option here. We can just do it. Most people don't realize that, but usually the buyer can delay closing and then get a quote out there, and then we can either escrow the money from the seller, but if the seller has no funds to escrow, it becomes a problem.